Hello friends and welcome back to my channel MedPharmaco Essentials. Today's video is all about the beta-lactams and beta-lactamases. So these beta-lactams are the class of antibiotics which have beta-lactam ring in the common. The red color chemical structure that you can see in all the cases of antibiotics of beta-lactams are nothing but the beta-lactam ring. So they have this thing in common in the structure, which will allow them to do their cell wall lysis activity, that is bactericidal activity. The drugs that mainly are involved under this beta lactams are penicillins, amoxicillin, you have cephalosporins, you have monobactams, you have carbapenems. So all these come under this beta lactam antibiotics. So let us know what is the mechanism of action of these beta lactams. So before that, we have to know the peptidoglycan layer of the cell wall of the bacterial cell. Okay, so you can see there is arrangement of the structures, that is NAM and NAG. That is nothing but N-acidomuramic acid, and NAG is N-acidoglucosamide. So they are arranged, and hence what happens, these beta lactams go and bind to the penicillin binding proteins. So these penicillin binding proteins are the enzymes that are involved in final step of this formation of peptidoglycan layer, cross-linking. Okay, so what happens when they go and bind to this penicillin binding proteins? They will automatically activate the autolytic enzymes and transpeptidase enzymes. So these enzymes, what they do, they go to the cell wall and cause cell wall lysis. So due to cell wall lysis, the bactericidal activity can be seen in case of beta lactams. Now what are these beta lactamases? They are what happened, around years together when we have used this antibiotics, the bacteria have developed something called as beta lactamase structure. So these beta lactamases, what they do, they go and break the beta lactam ring of these antibiotics. When they go and break that beta lactam ring, which I had shown red color structure in that chemical structures, hence when that beta lactam ring is broken down, so then what happens, the beta lactams cannot go and bind to the penicillin binding protein, they cannot activate the enzymes cytolytic and transpeptidase enzyme, and hence they cannot perform their bactericidal activity. So this is how the resistance is being developed to the beta lactams. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you all got a brief information about the beta lactams and beta lactamases.